Alright, folks, we have a major update on ongoing legal battles surrounding former President Donald Trump. Special Counsel Jack Smith is pushing hard to get the classified documents case against Trump REINSTATE after surprising dismissal by a federal judge. Let me break down what is happening here. But before we get into the details, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for your support. So, Jack Smith is essentially telling a federal appeals court that the case against Trump should not have been dismissed in the first place. The judge, USA District Judge Elian Cannon, had thrown out the case, claiming that Smith's appointment by Attorney General Merrick Garland was not lawful, but Smith and his team are arguing that this decision fails in the face of how the Justice Department has operated for years and needs to be overturned. What is generally interesting here is that Smith's team is saying Judge Cannon made a significant mistake. They argued that her ruling ignores the way special counsels have been appointed for decades. Not just in this case, but in many others across the government. They are warning that if this decision stands, it could mess with how the Justice Department operates and even call into the question many other appointments across the executive branch. To give you some context, the Justice Department has for years appointed special counsels to handle big, sensitive investigations, whether it is about Russian interference in this election or more recently the handling of classified documents by President Joe Biden. These appointments have typically been considered valid, but Cannon's ruling challenges that whole process. Now, even if the appeals court sides with the Smiths and reinstates the prosecution, it is unlikely we will see any trial before the 2024 presidential election. And that's crucial because if Trump wins, he could appoint an attorney general who might just drop the attorney general who might just drop the case altogether. It's also possible that issue could end up in the USA Supreme Court, adding another layer of complexity. What is really at stake beyond this particular case? It is precedent that could be set. If Cannon ruling is upheld, it could mean that many other special counsels appointments made another both Democratic and Republican administration were done more improperly, and that could throw a wrench into a lot of past and future investigation. So we were a bit of legal limbo right now, waiting to see what the appeal court will decide. This case has already seen plenty of twists and turns, and it is unclear how long this next stage will take. Thank you.